In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to Printify by using it to add funds to your Printify balance. To get started, log in to your Printify account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the menu on the left and open the Wallet section. This is where you can manage your Printify balance and payment activity. Inside Wallet, select Payments. Then click Add Money, which may also appear as plus Add Money. Adding funds here pre-funds your balance, so Printify can use it to cover eligible order and service charges. Choose the amount you want to top up. Keep in mind that the minimum top-up amount is $10 USD. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. After entering your amount, select PayPal from the available payment options. You'll then be taken through the PayPal sign-in and authorization prompts. Log in to the PayPal account you want to use and approve the connection to complete the payment. Once the authorization is finished and the funds are added, your PayPal connection is ready to use through your Printify balance. And that's it. You've successfully connected PayPal to Printify.